Then the currencies this morning. So DXY, I'm still looking up, but I would prefer to see a bit more of a pullback. We've taken this top out here, so I just think that's an extension of this A wave. I can't believe this B wave's in that shallow, and we should still come down in the dollar before we head up to this target region next. The euro, excuse me, just every time I put the 1 in, it makes another low. We need a confirmed low in before I can start to give you any kind of potential trade for those you want to scalp it up for this too. But until we get the A wave and the B wave in, I wouldn't touch the euro either way at the moment. Just leave it to find its low, and then we can start the count for the two. The cable in the meantime, now we've got this A in, B in, we got long just above the bottom of the B wave, and it's playing out very, very nicely to the upside here. At the moment, we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. I'm looking for a C of 5 up. That would give us the 1 of C, then a pullback. So for those of you who are not long, wait for this to play out and give us the pullback. And then we get the 3, 4, 5, and that all projects rather well up to the target that I've got for the wave 2 up here. Okay, the 2618 for all of this lines up with the 618 retrace of all of the wave 1 down in cable. Sorry, I'm losing my voice again. Now, US dollar, Japanese yen. So 3 was in at the 2.0 extension, AB, diagonal down for the C. We've just spiked underneath the 123.6. We need to take these retrace fibs out next to prove that's all of the 4 rather than the A of it. We get a B of it and then a C of it down to the 112.45 area. Target remains up here at 115.02 minimum, and more likely 116.76 off the 4-hour chart. So still long in this, and still looking for at least 115, preferably 116.76 in the US dollar Japanese yen pair. Australian dollar, I'm just looking for this to finish off this last move down, and I am going to, if we get 69.69, 69.95, and we see it start to bounce, I'm going to take another long trade in this, very, very small. Because if you look at the weekly and monthly charts, it is an enormous move to the upside that we're expecting over many, many years. You can just take a small position. Once you've got it secure, leave it in your account and forget all about it, and see what it gives you.